Hi, in today's video, we are going to see the 10 things you need to know before you start building a pole barn house. With these tips, you will avoid making the home of your dreams a living nightmare. Let's go. Before we start, a few words about us. We are Allen's Factory Outlet, and on this channel, we'll provide you with tips and inspirations to build the best carports and metal buildings for your needs. So if any of that interests you, we'd love to invite you to subscribe and join our community. It really goes a long way towards supporting this channel, and it makes sure that you never miss out. If you have some property and want to build a house, you might have been surprised at the cost and time it will take to build a home using stick frame construction. Luckily, there is a way that you can build an affordable, beautiful, and long-lasting home that you'll love. And this way is a pole barn house. So we're going to see the 10 things that you should know before you start building your pole barn house. Number 1. It is simpler than a traditional home. There are some distinct advantages to building modern pole barns as a home when compared to traditional homes. Pole barn homes have more interior room, lower costs, and strong weather resistance. They take much less building time than stick-built homes because you don't need to frame out each interior wall to support the weight of the roof. Number 2. You can adapt a pole barn to your budget. You won't necessarily pay a fortune for a pole barn house. Actually, you can easily modulate your home according to your budget. The first case is prefab. You can purchase prefab kits of pole barns from the supplier, and they include all of the building materials necessary for erecting the structure, without the concrete. In that case, the average cost is $72,000 for a 1,600 square feet home. The second possibility is calling a professional builder. Professionals can do the job more quickly, and they are less likely to make some of the mistakes that a novice would make. In that case, the average cost is between $100,000 and $300,000 for a larger home with high-end finishes. Number 3. Pole barn homes are made to last. When maintained well, pole barns can last for more than 100 years. The poles used to anchor these buildings are made from specially treated wood, and the rest of the building is made from other strong materials like steel and aluminum. They are much less likely to be damaged by environmental factors like wind and precipitation than homes made from less tough material. Number 4. It can be difficult to get financing for a pole barn home. Some banks and credit unions won't finance the cost of a pole barn home or metal building. Many loans for these kinds of buildings are denied because they're seen as a risk due to lower resale values. But some manufacturers of prefabricated metal buildings and kits do offer financing. Number 5. Maintenance costs are lower than a regular house. You'll pay lower maintenance costs if you choose to build a pole barn as your home. The exterior coloring of the panels is usually baked on using a process that is stronger than paint, meaning you won't need to repaint the siding nearly as often as you would with other kinds of siding. Number 6. Pole barns may not appraise well. Pole barns are a relatively new kind of home, and because they are not yet commonplace, appraisers have a difficult time determining value. This might mean that you may not see much of a return on your investment. Number 7. Additional features can add up. It's true that the cost of a basic pole barn is lower than a comparable stick-built home, but added features like lofts, second stories, and interior features increase the price. Number 8. Pole barns are more energy efficient. Thanks to the larger spaces between poles, more insulation can be added to a pole barn home. Fewer gaps in insulation translate to less heat transfer, which keeps heating and cooling costs down. Number 9. There are many styles available. Modern pole shed homes are as varied and beautiful as any other type of home. There's a wide range of color options for the exterior panels that include extra strong baked-on colors, or they can be primed and painted using metal paint. Pole barn homes can have a metal roof, or you can install a shingle roof, or even a ranch-style home. We hope you had an amazing time watching this video. If you want to learn more, please visit our website at allensfactoryoutlet.com to start customizing a new metal building for some extra storage space, gym, hobby room, or a workshop. It could be in your backyard really soon.